Hey guys, it's Milon and I'm back with another video. Remember how I mentioned we were gonna get a snowstorm? Check this out. Look at all this snow. Watch when I step here. This is how deep it is. Moment of the truth. Look how deep my foot went. This is my knee right here. It's crazy. Super crazy. Oh. Okay guys, we're gonna do a test right now. Okay, I'm gonna throw myself in the snow like this. Let's see how deep it is. Okay, are you recording? Okay guys, I'm scared. Okay, I'm gonna throw myself backwards. If I hurt myself, it was because of my sister, right? That's a lot of snow.